In this video, I'll show you how to make a potion of strength in Minecraft. So all you need for this potion is a blaze rod. If we go to our crafting table, stick her in here and make it into blaze powder. Now we'll go to our brewing stand and we can stick it up here and put our awkward potions in. Click on the card in the top right to learn how to make an awkward potion. Okay, so now these are done. We've got strength for 3 minutes. If I stick it in here and put some redstone dust, it'll start brewing again, and this will extend the time. That's done brewing, and now we've got strength for 8 minutes rather than 3 minutes. So if we stick this in here, and then put some glowstone dust, this will upgrade it to strength 2. Here we are, strength 2. Doesn't last as long, but it's +6 attack when these are only +3. Now if we put this in here and put gunpowder, this will turn it into a splash potion. And now that's finished brewing, we can take it out, and if we throw it on the floor, you can now see we've got strength. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.